Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk Ondo Finance, one of the hottest cryptos going right now in the market. It's one of the cryptos that I just recently backed up the truck, loaded up the bags, and we are buying more Ondo right now. I want to share with you guys exactly why and what rare chart pattern we're seeing here and why I bought more Ondo. Okay, so if you guys are watching this video, I appreciate you guys that are already subscribed, but if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that like button and be sure to subscribe down below. Completely free to do so. All that does is tell YouTube you like hearing what I'm talking about, all right? Also, I do have a X account. Give me a follow on there at tcryptomark. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen, and let's get into it. I will also tell you guys this is not financial advice. I will never tell you to buy or sell a crypto on this channel, but we will talk crypto every single day, and that's what I'm here for. So as we look into it right now, Ondo having another strong day, up 10.9%, kind of adding to this week of 18% into the green. It's been an outstanding year. We were buying Ondo, now up 528% over the last 365 days, back when you could have got it for just 2 dimes, 20 cents for Ondo, now trading just a tick below $1.50. Let's get into it. Why are people buying Ondo? Now, before we hit the article, I want to show you guys this graphic, okay? Now, if you can look on the bottom of your screen where you can find Ondo, all right, and I'm going to have to zoom out so you can see it. There it is on the bottom, all right? So there is a interesting graphic by CryptoRank here. This is based on the Bitwise and VanEck crypto predictions for 2024. Data from CryptoRank.io. Okay. You can see Ondo basically is overlapping within the cryptos made in the United States, the World Liberty Financial Holdings, as well as what we are seeing just outside the Coinbase 50 Index and the Grayscale Trust. So in terms of Trump and what the United States are looking to bring to the table, Ondo is holding true as being an overlap between the World Liberty Financial Holdings as well as the Made in USA cryptos. Okay. Another reason why I'm bullish is because of what we're going to get into right now, and we are experiencing a lot of price action, but why is the chart up on the day? Why are we seeing the potential for a 45% surge, and what is this rare chart pattern? Okay. So in terms of the real world asset tokenization coin, Ondo, okay, very popular right now, up almost 10% on Friday, one of the largest gainers in the market. Larry Fink pressed the Securities Exchange Commission, the SEC, to approve the tokenized assets of stocks and bonds, okay? Now that is what is leading into the conversation why Ondo holds true. This recent anticipation is due to the fact that they've been heavily involved within BlackRock in its Build product, okay, which holds over $640 million in assets. Ondo has partnered with Build for its short-term U.S. government treasuries product, which manages over $189 million in assets, okay? Now, within the Ondo Summit, the recent rally is in anticipation as we have seen the upcoming Ondo Summit, that the inaugural event focusing on tokenization and disruption in its driving the financial services industry, okay? This summit will feature speakers from BNY Mellon, BlackRock, Fidelity, Franklin Templeton, WisdomTree, and Pantera. Okay. Now, this is something as the token is set to, well, it already has done, but this rebound came a week after the unlock of over 2.5 billion Ondo tokens. The next unlock will be on January 18th of 2026. So we have one more year. Okay. And that was something that had me a little bit hesitant as we looked into Ondo in this token unlock, but it seemingly is weathered in terms of the storm. We did not get a massive sell-off that, you would anticipate with a huge token unlock. But within that, guys, we can couple this within the Ondo price technicals and why we're looking at more gains potentially, okay? This is kind of where we look at the upper range and the floor, $1.48, and looking at the all-time high, $2.14. That is what we're looking at. We have dropped 44.77%. This was dating back in anticipation. My guess is for this token unlock, but we have since looked to rebound, and that is exactly what we're doing right now in the charts as Ondo trades around $1.48. Now, I did buy in January back at around the $1.20, $1.25 level, so a little bit at that local bottom. That is exactly when I bought Ondo. Very happy with that purchase. But if we look more into the argument, this is kind of what we're looking into. It peaked at $2.15 in December before we had a little pullback into a $1.09 range where a lot of people were buying Ondo, kind of where I got turned on. I just didn't pull the trigger until we got a little bit higher. But this is where we are on the upper side of the cup and handle pattern that is showing. It's another bullish sign within Ondo. and also has formed a small inverse head and shoulders chart pattern. Now, by these technical patterns, this is where we're looking to continue the upward trajectory with that next target at $2.14, which would represent a 45% gain from its current level, okay? And that's kind of where it leads us into the ending of this conversation, but just the beginning of us talking about Ondo a lot here on the channel, because this is a crypto now that I am centered on. I'm extremely bullish on it. So I wanted to share with you guys, not just a TA, but my opinion in that graphic that we did see the overlap between U.S. assets and, U.S. made crypto and the world financial holdings, okay? So we got a lot of bullish things to talk about in our lifetimes. I never thought we would see this where the U.S. government is kind of going all in. They're going all in with crypto, thanks to Donald Trump and company. So this is going to be a very exciting time to be alive in a crypto holder right now in 2025. I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. Like I said a little bit earlier, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe right down below. We'll be talking crypto every single day. Glad to have you guys part of the team, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.